Acid reflux, sometimes referred to as GERD, which is short for gastroesophageal reflux disease, is an annoying and often painful condition. It occurs when acid and other stomach materials back up into your esophagus. The esophagus is the muscular tube that leads from your throat to your stomach. This occurs when the esophageal sphincter is not functioning properly. This sphincter is a muscular ring at the bottom of the esophagus that prevents stomach contents from backing up into the throat and mouth. When the acids from the stomach rise to the esophagus, it can cause heartburn, burning in the throat, and an acidic taste in the mouth. While there are a number of possible contributing causes of acid reflux, the underlying cause remains a mystery. However, we do know some of the contributing factors. These include smoking, overeating, stress, a diet that is high in salt and fatty foods, and your eating patterns. For instance, if you're in the habit of eating late and not allowing enough time between your last meal and bedtime, you're more likely to experience acid reflux. If you've ever tried over-the-counter remedies and found they only offer a temporary solution, you're not alone. Fortunately, acid reflux can be cured quickly, without drugs, using a safe and natural home remedy. In fact, 2 simple grocery items are all you need to do the trick. Here's how to end your acid reflux nightmare.